Nature boy. Nature boy. I'm back. Welcome to Melanation Island, where you will have no freedom and you will be in total delusion. There's only one God, Master Teacher, Nature Boy. Eligio! Melanation Island. You're lucky if you ever escape and leave a land of freedom. Are you free? Or are you just dumb? Freedom. The Master Teacher is one of the purest men alive. He's pure as a child. He's the greatest of all times. There is no leader above him. And he articulates for other people the things that they always wanted to say, but they don't have the minds to say them. This is why he is the master. Who's the master? Nature boy. I said, who's the master? Nature boy. Who's the prettiest? Nature boy. Nature boy. On Melanation Island, there is no concept of yours. Everything belongs to the master. Give me your wallet. Remember those car keys? Give me those keys. Remember your laptop computer? Give it to the master. On Melanation Island, the Master Teacher is a reflection of you. So give him your money. All possessions remains to the master. No one is allowed to leave Melanation Island without asking the Master Teacher for permission. Eligio! On Melanation Island, there are no insecurities. Run around free, naked, and wild. Have a good time on Melanation Island. Yes! Learn to become human with your Master Teacher for eternity. This is a permanent education program with the Master Teacher. You will become one of his students forever. Most people say, what is the point, Master Teacher? Why am I even here? How long do I have to stay? When do I graduate your program, Master Teacher? The answer is never. You're never going to escape Melanation Island. You will become a student forever under the guidance of Master Teacher. The island is full of adventurous games, like scavenger hunts. Is Miss Pocahontas the newest victim of the Master? Where is Pocahontas? I don't see her. Eligio! The island is beautiful, isn't it? The island is full of mind control, full of adventures, games. Go on a butterfly hike with your tour guide, Miss Nature Girl Theory. The most delusional one of them all. If you disobey the Master Teacher's orders, you will be put on a strict diet of potatoes and avocados. Or you can visit the Chamber of Death. Delicious, isn't it? Bon appetit! The master teacher's main concept of the Melanation Island is to keep you confused and brainwashed, docile, and going nowhere. Just keep going around in a circle. That's what he likes. Send you on a rat race to nowhere. Why does master teacher do this? 'Cause he doesn't have anywhere to go. So master teacher welcomes everyone to become a victim on Melanation Island. Just give him total control of your mind. Eligio! Do you smell that? Don't you smell freedom? Don't you want the freedom? Become a victim on Melanation Island. And join Pocahontas in her great escape. If you are able to speak for yourself and have a mind of your own, then you are now welcome on Melanation Island. Stay in Babylon, you're not welcome here. If you're very controllable, please come on down to Melanation Island. Get your boy. Who's the master? It's your boy. He's the most spirit singer being ever. There's nobody more pure than Nature Boy. Nature Boy's the most spirit singer. MC, he's the most melanated MC. He's the only one. Eligio!